Do you get confused between would, should, and could? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will explain the difference with simple example, clear situation, and practice at the end. Let's finally make these 3 words easy for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to TST Learning English. I'm Jam. Here, I help you speak English naturally and confidently. Today's lesson is about 3 very common but confusing modal verbs. Would, should, and could. Trust me, by the end, you will be using them correctly and even like a native speakers. Let's go. First, what is a modal verb? Modal verbs like would, should, and could help us express ability, possibility, advice, or even polite language. They can be for the main verb, like I could go to school, or I could help you, or you should study more, or she would go if she had time. Now let's break each one down. Let's start with should. We use should to give advice or what's the right thing to do. For example, you should drink more water, or he should apologize, or they shouldn't be late. Native speaker tips. You should often becomes you should. You should. You should have becomes you should have. You should have. You should have called me. When to use should? Giving advice. Example, you should take a break. Talking about responsibility. She should help her parents. Saying something isn't right. He shouldn't talk like that. Now let's look at could. It is used for polite request, possibility, and past ability. Possibility. We should go to beach tomorrow. Past ability. When I was a child, I could run fast. Polite request. Could you help me, please? Native speaker tips. In fast speech, could you becomes could you. Could you. Could you pass me the salt? Could you pass me the salt? I could do it if I had time. He could swim when he was 5. Could you tell me the time? Finally, let's learn would. We use it for imaginary situations, polite offers, and habits in the past. Imaginary. I would travel more if I had money. Polite offer. Would you like some tea? Past habit. When I was a kid, I would visit my grandma every week. Native speaker tips. Would you often become would you? Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Some more examples. I would help you if I had time. I would help you, but I'm busy. He would always play guitar after school. Would you mind opening the window? And now let's practice together. I will say a sentence and you choose would, should, or could. Ready? Let's go. You like some coffee? He's swim when he was 2. I go, but I'm tired. You help me with this bag? You eat more vegetables. Great job! You are getting better already. And now let's review everything quickly. Should, we use it for advice. You should study. Could, we use it for possibility, ability, and polite request. I could help you. And would, we use it for imaginary, past habits, and polite offers. I would do it if I could. And now it's your turn. Please comment below with your own sentence using should, would, and could. I would travel to Canada if I had the chance. Which one was hardest for you? Let me know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TST Learning English for more fun and real English lessons. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every day you learn is a step forward. I'm Jam and see you in the next time. Bye bye.